The Redmi Note 15 is not just another mid-range smartphone, it's a statement of how far mobile technology has come, merging flagship-tier performance with class-leading features in a sleek, refined design. At first glance, you're greeted with a stunning 144Hz Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display that delivers unmatched fluidity and visual excellence. Whether you're gaming competitively, binge-watching in HDR, or simply browsing your favorite social apps, the screen's rich contrast, deep blacks, and high refresh rate offer an incredibly immersive experience. With ultra-thin bezels and sharp color accuracy, it's made for those who demand a display that keeps up with their lifestyle. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 15 is powered by the advanced Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset, built on a cutting-edge fabrication process that prioritizes both performance and efficiency. Combined with a jaw-dropping 32GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of high-speed UFS storage, this phone is built for serious multitasking, app-heavy users, mobile gamers, and even professionals who want laptop-level responsiveness in their pocket. Lag is a thing of the past, even when you're running demanding apps, editing high-resolution video, or gaming at high settings. Photography takes center stage with an unbelievable 300MP main camera sensor, redefining mobile photography as we know it. With advanced image processing, AI scene optimization, and support for ultra-high-res video recording, the Redmi Note 15 lets you capture studio-level shots directly from your smartphone. Day or night, wide shots or portraits, every detail is preserved with incredible clarity. This makes it not only a daily driver but also a creative tool for content creators, vloggers, and mobile photographers who need professional-grade results on the go. All of this is powered by a beastly 8,500 mAh battery, offering 2 full days of power even with heavy usage. Whether you're streaming, gaming, filming, or navigating for hours on end, battery anxiety becomes a thing of the past. And when it's time to recharge, the 120W fast charging support ensures you can go from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes, thanks to intelligent thermal management and advanced battery health features that protect your device over time. Altogether, the Redmi Note 15 is more than a smartphone. It's a performance-first, feature-packed powerhouse that challenges the very definition of a flagship. It's built for those who want more from their device. More speed, more power, more creativity, and more freedom.